lecture on force, a very fundamental topic. So let's demonstrate this with a very simple example. I have a device here. Now when I want to bring it near me, what I would do is I'll get it close to me. So what kind of thing that I'm exerting here is pull. But let me say that I want to take it far away from myself. So what I would do is I would move it far, and this is called as push. So let's say you want to enter your room. Now when you want to enter your room, you open the door. Now if you open the door towards yourself, what is this force called as? This is pull. But let's say in your room, you open the door inside the room. So what you are doing is pushing it. So anything which brings it close to you is pull, and the force that takes it away from you is push. And that's the very simple definition. So this boy here is trying to do what? This boy is trying to push the block. Again, this rock is being pushed by the boy. Here, this boy is pulling this block towards himself, and this boy is pulling the trolley towards himself. So the force is defined in very simple terms is as either a push or a pull. So it's either a push or a pull. Now, force has two important components. One is the direction, whether it is close to yourselves or it is far from yourself. So we call this as direction. The second important thing is the size. How much force you are applying. I take a very simple example. I have this pen. I want to take it towards myself. I require less pressure. But rather than this pen, I take a very heavy weight of, let's say, 20 kgs. Then I'll require a lot of effort to bring it close to me. And that lot of effort is what? It is based on the size. Size does not mean the physical dimension only, but it also means how heavy the object is. So the weight, I can say, is another definition. All motions, whatever motion we talk about, is created by some kind of force. Now I won't go into detail as of now, but to give you a brief understanding. Let's say an apple is falling down. Why apple falls down? This force is called as gravity. This is the attraction of the earth that brings the apple down. Now this motion of apple falling onto the ground is created by what? It is created by the force. What kind of force? We call this as gravitational force. Similarly, let's say I have an iron piece and I bring a magnet close to it. That iron piece would attract to the magnet. Now this motion of iron piece towards the magnet is created by again a force. What kind of force? Magnetic force. So any of the force that we talk about any of the motion that we talk about are exerted by